the exterior inspection. First things we're going to look at is the foundation. We've got a lot of erosion going on here. You see the soil is being washed away, and the grass and everything. Got a bit of shingles showing here. See if we can find out what's going on there. Okay, so we're on the right hand elevation. See your air conditioning units here, and what we got here, window, and it's got very poor caulking. Look, got a hole here, up the top you've got a hole. It's going to allow water to get into your cavity wall system, and all sorts of bad things can go wrong there. In addition, the caulking, when they did it, they didn't put enough down. Can you see it's cracking? There's a crack here. You don't want that to happen. That really actually means it's going to deteriorate very quickly. So we'll want this whole window, and probably all the windows, re-caulked. That hole up there, this one down here, don't want them. We're now at the rear elevation of the property. Still looking at foundation walls and windows. So down here, got holes. This was here when the house was built, just poor caulking. Caulking is cracking here. It's going to allow air in the summer, hot air in the winter, cold air. Now we're at the porch area. Left-hand elevation. Again, we've got poor caulking in this window all the way along here. It needs repair. Have a gutter downpipe entering over the roof here. What should happen is that should be extended and taken into the gutter itself. Left as it is here, it's going to allow water to wear away the shingles. in time they'll rot and then the roof will rot. We're at the right hand elevation of the house, and here we've got a blocked drain that needs to be cleared, otherwise you're going to get issues with swamping at this elevation. This is the attic inspection. Okay, well this here is a flue, and of course naturally it passes out into the roof above us, and there it sits. And the problem with it is, all three of these flues, the problem with it is it can actually result in a lightning strike, because they are lightning attractors, being metal and way above the ground. Now the way to fix that is to bond them. So in the report I'll put advice on bonding, how you go about doing it, and I recommend that you do bond them. It will reduce the probability of a lightning strike considerably. I'm in the lower attic, and you can see here we have a Romex cable, another one there, and they're running over service boards and over joists. Well, there's a problem with that. They can be trodden on. Over time it will damage them, and then you can get a short circuit. Here you've got something that's laying on it. It's a good prime example of how cables can be damaged. Now these cables should be protected. There should be some form of protection over the top of all Romex cables.